Hello, adventurers! Today we're going to be discussing altitude. When I think of the word altitude, I think of airplanes. So I'm dressed like a captain so we can go on our adventure and learn about altitude, mean sea level, above ground level, what the term climb means, and what the term descend means. Are you ready? Let's go! Today we'll learn about altitude, mean sea level, above ground level, climb, and descend. Altitude is the height of something above a reference point. Mean sea level is the height of the aircraft over the average sea level. Above ground level is the black arrow, the distance between the ground and the airplane. This isn't a horizon. This is what we see inside the aircraft. When an aircraft is in a climb, let's look at the horizon. The nose of the aircraft will go up until it's reached its altitude that it wants to climb at, and then level back out. This is what it will look like on the outside of the aircraft. If we are cruising at an altitude of 650 feet and we climb to 850 feet, how many feet did we climb? Let's go ahead and look at this problem. 650 feet plus the distance that we climbed equals 850 feet. Let's subtract from both sides. We climbed 200 feet. And this is what it looks like on the outside of the aircraft. Now let's talk about descend. When we descend in an aircraft, the nose of the aircraft will go down until we're at the height or altitude that we want to remain. It will look like this on the outside of the aircraft. If we are cruising at an altitude of 1,000 feet and we descend to 850 feet, how many feet did we descend? Let's do subtraction to see the difference. 150 feet. Let's go ahead and look at the outside of the aircraft. So we're flying at 1,000, we go down 150, and then we're cruising at 850 feet. Let's do an adventure practice problem.
Hello adventurers, and welcome to the Gateway Arch here in St. Louis, Missouri. We are going to use the arch for our last problem today. The height of the arch is 630 feet. If we were cruising at 500 feet and we needed to clear the arch by 100 feet, how many feet would we climb to get over the Gateway Arch?
The Gateway Arch is 630 feet. We're going to clear the arch by 100 feet, so we need to fly at an altitude of 730 feet. 500 feet plus the distance we're going to climb equals 730 feet. Let's subtract 500 feet from both sides. Now we've climbed 230 feet to clear the Gateway Arch. Terms we covered today are altitude, mean sea level, above ground level, climb, and descend.